Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Master Words English, where learning English is easy, fun, and useful for everyday life. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Hello, Sarah. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. What about you, Daniel?
I'm doing very well. I'm excited because today's topic is really practical.
Oh, yes. Today, we're going to learn how to talk about your daily routine in English.
Exactly. Everyone has a routine, what you do every day, but sometimes it's hard to describe it in English.
Right. So, today we'll make it simple. Let's start with an example.
Okay. Sarah, what do you do in the morning?
I usually wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I eat breakfast, usually eggs and toast.
Nice. So you can say, I wake up at 7 a.m., I brush my teeth, wash my face, and eat breakfast.
Perfect. What about you, Daniel?
I wake up early, around 6:30. Then I go for a short walk with my dog Max. After that, I take a shower and drink some coffee.
Sounds healthy. See, that's how you can describe your morning routine.
So, Sarah, after breakfast, what do you do?
I go to my art class at 9 a.m. I study painting and drawing.
You can say, I go to class at 9 a.m. I study art.
And you, Daniel?
I go to work at 8:30. I'm an English teacher, so I teach students online and in person.
That's great. Students can say, I go to school, and workers can say, I go to work.
What do you usually do in the afternoon, Sarah?
I come home around 2 p.m. Then I eat lunch and take a short nap.
I also take a little rest after lunch. Then I prepare lessons for my students.
And in the evening?
I usually watch TV or read a book. Sometimes I cook dinner.
Ooh, that's nice. I like to paint or listen to music in the evening.
What about your night routine, Sarah?
At night, I eat dinner with my family. Then I watch something on YouTube. And finally, I go to bed around 11 p.m.
Same here. You can say, I eat dinner, watch TV, and go to bed at 11 o'clock.
That's a perfect example of a simple daily routine.
Now, it's your turn, dear listeners.
Yes, go to the comments and tell us about your daily routine. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m., I go to school, I watch TV in the evening.
That's it. Keep it short and clear.
And remember, the more you practice, the easier it becomes.
Exactly. So, before we finish, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends.
It really helps our channel grow and helps more people learn English.
Thank you for joining us today.
See you next time on Master Words English.
Bye, everyone.